How to improve your English if you are a beginner. First of all, you're a beginner if you can't hold a basic conversation using basic vocabulary. Basic vocabulary is stuff like weather, greetings, colors, body parts, family members. At this level, you need to be listening and speaking a lot. You need a lot of boring repetition. Train yourself to listen and imitate your teacher. Your job is to imitate their pronunciation. Try techniques like listen and repeat and shadowing. Listening does not mean watching Netflix with subtitles on. The level is too high. You need to be listening to basic, low-level, boring conversation. Don't focus on reading or writing at this stage. Focus on understanding and imitating with good pronunciation.